guys, this is just a quick video to show you how good the support removal is on the Snapmaker U1. As you can see, that print has literally just finished. Try and snap it off. Literally just off. Okay, so catch the supports. Literally comes clean off. That is really impressive. I've never had supports come off so cleanly on a 3D printer before, so that's just support removal on the Snapmaker U1.